If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making Bada. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a paste. Then take some cumin seeds, black pepper and clove and make a powder of it. And we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take half-inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor, instead of adding just chopped ginger. Then about quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing and half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a large bowl, first add all the urad dal paste, followed by all these ingredients. Now with the help of a spoon, combine these really well and let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then take lots of ghee or oil in a pan and set the flame on medium. Then by hand, drop medium-sized portions of the batter into the hot oil. And the batter portion size is something like a small LADOO. And don't make it too large. And now we need to fry these until they turn golden in color. And this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Bada. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.